Welcome back to Storybook Harbor Tours. It is early morning, July 4th, 2026, and we are making our way through Watch Hill, Rhode Island as the sun makes its way over the Atlantic Ocean. So nice early morning. Thought we'd take you for a little tour as we do a bike ride around town and give you a sense to come along for the journey. So straight ahead of us, you'll see the Ocean House Hotel. We'll make our way up to the top of the road. We'll take a quick left. We'll head towards Holiday House and then down towards Bay Street and the Watch Hill Lighthouse. So come along for the journey. We'll give it a little bit different setup today. I thought I'd get the new gimbal, so I thought I'd test it out on the bike ride and see how we do. And rather doing a picture-in-picture, I figured I'd give you the full view of the of Watch Hill. Beautiful early morning here. About maybe 80 degrees, a little bit of humidity right now, no breeze, so nice and quiet. The town's just waking up. As you see straight out ahead of us, you can see Watch Hill Harbor and Little Narragansett Bay. We'll take a look here at the Ocean House Hotel. Do a quick pass and beautiful Ocean House Hotel. Early morning, 4th of July, 2026. A little bit of haze over the Atlantic Ocean out in front of Ocean House. Looks like it'll be burning off a little bit later on though. Had a great couple of days down there sleeping out on the anchorage. I thought I'd get up early this morning and give you a quick tour of Watch Hill. Town's just waking up, and a few walkers out, a couple of folks on bikes making their way. And as we come down to the bottom of the hill, on the left here, you're going to see the entrance to Holiday House. And as you can see, it's 4th of July, 2026, and all is quiet at the Holiday House. See if we can't swing around here. All is quiet. Down ahead of us, you can see Little Narragansett Bay. All the boats out in the anchorage. Good morning. My boat is out about 100 feet offshore. I took the dinghy into town and had a nice little early morning dinghy ride. So I videoed that. I'll have a link to that in the description. You can take a look at the 8-minute ride on the dinghy as the sun was rising over Watch Hill. Beautiful, beautiful views as the sun was coming up over the water. Here we are turning onto Bay Street. You get St. Clair's Annex, which is always a family favorite for ice cream. To our left will be the Watch Hill Yacht Club. And we'll turn around there and we'll make our way back up the hill and then around again. We'll turn around here in front of the Olympia Tea Room. I talked about the Olympia Tea Room a few times. Nice spot for sunset cocktails. So they got tables that set up on the out on the sidewalk, and you can sit and watch some of the best sunsets on the eastern seaboard, right from their sidewalk, as you're having a cocktail. So now let's make our way up again. This time we'll go up the hill, riding along Bay Street here. We'll make our turn onto Larkin. As we make our way up to the top of Larkin, to the right we'll have the driveway for the Watch Hill Lighthouse, which we'll take a ride by the Watch Hill Lighthouse. I'll probably end the tour there. So we'll do one more circle around town, and then we'll end at the Watch Hill Yacht Club, Watch Hill Lighthouse. So straight ahead, you can see the gates to Holiday House. And you can also see that beautiful sunrise coming up over the Atlantic Ocean. New York Post is reporting that the wedding happened yesterday at Madison Square Garden. And you can see it's pretty quiet here. I know there was rumors of Holiday House being the place of celebration, but the gates are closed, the flag's up, and it's pretty quiet for 6 o'clock in the morning. I tried out the new gimbal. I had gotten feedback after doing the Relax Away Half Moon Cave video, and it was actually spot on feedback that I needed a gimbal. So I came home, got off the cruise on Wednesday, ordered the gimbal, and it was arrived yesterday. And here we are testing it out on our maiden voyage on the e-bike as we make our way through beautiful Watch Hill, Rhode Island. You'll see the Ocean House Hotel right here on my right. And then as we make the turn to the right, you're going to see a beautiful sunrise over the Atlantic Ocean. Straight ahead of us, a little hazy, but Block Island is out there about 12 miles. So on a clear day, you'll be able to see right out to Block Island. But you can see the Ocean House has beautiful vista views of the Atlantic Ocean all the way out to Montauk, New York, and Block Island, Rhode Island. Get the whole Block Island sound out there. It is a very, very beautiful area. I think I talked a little bit before about the history of Watch Hill. When the folks in New York were building up Newport, there was a group of business folks from New York who wanted something a little bit quieter. They wanted something a little more secluded, so around the end of the 1800s, they started developing Watch Hill, Rhode Island. And what they wanted it for was something a little bit more exclusive than Newport, so they wanted to be out of the limelight, have their own quiet area, but they also wanted to be able to get back and forth to New York City. So this was a easy ferry ride, maybe 3 hours, 4 hours, and you're in New York City. So they could leave on Monday morning, grab their New York Times, sit on the ferry or sit on their own private yacht, and make their way to New York and be there by mid-morning in the summertime. And then same thing in the afternoon on a Friday, wrap up at 4 o'clock, jump on the ferry and be in Watch Hill by 7 or 8 o'clock before sunfall. Heading down Bay Street now. You'll see the center of town, if you will. You'll have the Watch Hill Yacht Club straight ahead of us. You'll have the harbor. You'll have the Westerly House, or Watch Hill House, and some of the shops as you run down Bay Street. You see it's pretty quiet. It's also a pretty quaint area and pretty quiet. You see the harbor off to this side. And the Watch Hill Yacht Club will come into view as we make our way through town some more. This has absolutely beautiful sunset. Sit in this wall. My wife and I will come down here in the winter time and sit on the wall and watch the sunset over Stonington, Connecticut. You get the Watch Hill Yacht Club right here in front of us. My dinghy is sitting right there in the dinghy dock. You'll see a video to that. I'll link for that in the video in the description. I get about an 8-minute video where I made my way over just as the sun was coming up It wasn't even up yet. It was just poking up over the land as I was pulling up to the dock. Again, you get the Watch Hill Yacht Club. Let's take our time. We'll make our way back up Larkin. We'll take a right and go down towards the lighthouse. We'll take a look at do a lighthouse tour and see what that looks like. Straight ahead, you get the Watch Hill Carousel, the merry-go-round. I think it's the oldest merry-go-round in the country. Great spot for the kids in the summertime. They get the flying horses, and you get the ring, and you get a free ride, I believe, or you get a ticket. It's always busy on a summer day there. Again, we'll make our way back up Larkin. You'll see you heading back towards Taylor Swift's house. There's Holiday House gate straight ahead of us. We're going to take a right and make our way down Lighthouse Road. You can see it's a pretty narrow passageway, which is why they restrict cars, especially in the summertime. Oh, hopefully that speed bump didn't make you too dizzy. Good morning. Continue to make our way down. I believe the lighthouse, if I got the dates right, it's early 1800s. I think it was 1806 or so that it was commissioned, and it was finished in 1808. A couple of cars making their way out. Mostly a busy morning at the lighthouse. You see a bunch of boats out fishing out in the Atlantic Ocean. And I think this is probably going to be one of the highlights of the harbor, of the Watch Hill tour. Pretty nice spot down here. They got the gate shut, I think. We might not be able to make our way all the way through unless I can get through the grass. Which one might be able to? See what we can see over here. No, you got the gate locked. And we'll take a walk through. I don't know what time they open the gates, but we're here and we're going to go for a little bike ride. I think we're going to go for a little bike ride. Let's see. You know, at least take a walk through here and look at the grass. This is what I wanted to show you. The front view of Napatree, the beach, going all the way around. Heading all the way out to Stonington Harbor. Way off in the distance, you can see the Latimer Light. I told you earlier, you can see Latimer Light from just about anywhere. And here is Holiday House up on the hill with the ocean in front. We'll make our way back. We'll take a quick tour, drive down towards the Watch Hill Yacht Club.